Hello, my name is Alex Del Valle, and I am with the Tech Committee here at Keller Williams Integrity. Today, we are going through AI and what is Chat GPT. And one little bonus today, just for coming in. Today, you have a free assistant. Yes, I'm not lying. Today, you have a free assistant. We're going to jump into how this AI is great assistant. And don't be warned, if you are an assistant, you can actually be 10 times more effective. So let's jump right into the basics. Where is it? It's at openai.com. ChatGPT is a free service for the basic version, which is 3.5. All you need is Google, Microsoft, Apple, or you can just create an email. Pretty straightforward stuff. I have the paid account. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. And the way I like to see it is essentially a calculator, except instead of calculating numbers, like the calculator you think of, that has 10 digits and a whole bunch of symbols, we actually have the whole human language to use with this. And in the paid version, you actually have images. So you can drop in PDF and images, even a note, and it can make sense of it depending on what you're asking it to, and do phenomenal things like produce coding for an app for you. We're not going to focus on that today. We're going to focus on, we're just going to touch the tip of the iceberg, go over three things that I use all the time as a real estate agent and where this comes through in my life. One beginning starting spot is actually to go into your icon, go into custom instructions. And right here, this is where the real gold of it is. You're going to sound like a robot, an AI robot, if you don't fill out these instructions. And right here, you can say who you are, what you're about, what you like doing. And where it really matters too, not that that doesn't matter, is the response. So you can tell what kind of tone you would like it to say, how long you want the answers. If you wanted to provide you URLs or proof for how confident it is of the answers providing. Even the type of tone you want the response to come in. So I have a whole thing built, and this is an ongoing process. We're going to do three things that I do, very basic things that I use all the time. So one will be respond to clients. Two will be to create a mailer. We're going to create a poem. And then three will just be some technical skills. And I have an issue getting like mojo and working through some technical stuff. So long story short, I have a gentleman who I've talked to once. We had a nice conversation. He just hasn't responded to much of the stuff I've been sending his way. He just sent me this message before Thanksgiving. Alex, my apologies. I have been extremely busy with work this time of year. Is crazy, but I will try to look over some of these properties tomorrow, hopefully. Have a happy Thanksgiving weekend. So not a hard one to respond to, but I could, with my custom instructions I already have, respond, and responds is what I'd like it to. And that's not bad. It's a little long. I think it's usable. I think I want to make it a little shorter. Yeah, that's not bad. And say you want these to be regenerated, you can just press regenerate and you can give it a little more explanation of what kind of direction. Say you want it to be funnier, more serious, less cheesy, less robotic. You can put in whatever you want it to say. Mess around with it, push it to the edge. You can even do silly things like respond as a haiku. That's not bad. That is probably the best haiku I've ever written. So jump into that. Now, let's create our poem. Create a short poem for former clients who have either purchased or sold the house with me. Please mention the scratch ticket included, and I'm sending it because of the holidays, so mention that or Christmas. A little shorter. That's pretty good. I think we'll call that good, and if you don't like it, you can always just keep pressing it and making it more and requesting more. Alright, so we're done with our poem. Now for our technical problems. How do I connect my Mojo API to my follow-up boss? Please describe in detail. And as you can see, this is a pretty good place to start. Before you even ask anybody a question, you can just punch it into Chat GPT. You can just ask Chat GPT how it can help you, how it can help you in any sort of avenue of your life, not just work, even personal, like for when it comes to finding Christmas presents or doing anything. We have scratched the tip of the iceberg of what Chat GPT is and how it can help you in your real estate career. I thank you so much for your time, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the day. I'm here to help, so feel free to reach out.